If you have a blog or a website, you should know how to make your article rank #1 in Google, or at the very least you should know how to make your article rank on Google first page. Now the importance of this is because when your article ranks #1 in Google, or when your article is on Google first page, it drives more organic traffic to your blog or to your website, which could mean more money for you or more leads. In this video, I'll show you how to make your article rank #1 in Google, or how to make your article rank on Google first page at least, using SEO tips. Now this is an SEO tutorial for beginners, so if you're a beginner in SEO, if you don't know anything about SEO, then you should watch this video, because you will learn every single thing you need to know on how to make your article rank #1 in Google. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Enewerume Content Queen. If this is your first time on my channel, hi there, it is so nice to meet you. I am happy you stumbled on my channel, and I hope that you love what you see enough to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, because on this channel I share how-to videos or tutorial videos on apps and software for business owners and freelancers. I also share freelance writing and career tips, as well as some personal vlogs. So if you love my channel enough, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You are the OG. I'm really happy and I'm excited that I have you in my corner. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for leaving comments. Thank you for supporting me. I feel the love, it's really massive. Thank you so much. And the goal is still to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I can feel that gradually we are getting there. So do also like this video so that I can get to as many more people as possible, and also share with your friends if you know anyone who will need this video. So without much further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial video. All right, so the first thing we want to do, if you want your blog post or your article or your blog or website to rank on Google's first page, is to download this Chrome extension called Mosebar extension. Now as I go on in this video, I'm going to be defining specific terms so that those who are not familiar with these terms can understand better what I'm trying to explain. So you download Mosebar. Here, just search for it, Mosebar extension, and then download it, sign up, activate it on your desktop or your laptop, whatever it is that you use for your browsing. But it has to be Google Chrome. So when you've activated it or you've downloaded it, you would see this black bar, depending on what you decide to use. For me, my laptop is on light mode, so I decided to use the dark mode of Mosebar. If your laptop is in dark mode, you can decide to use the light mode just to differentiate. Now, whenever you search any website or anything, you would see the particular line here, which is the Mosebar extension, giving you analysis of that website. Okay, it will give you the PA and the DA analysis. You can see this one here too, is the same thing. So now the first thing we need to understand is, why are we ranking, or why do we want to rank our blog, article, website on Google's first page? It is because whenever people search for something, they search for a particular thing, you want your blog, you want your website to be one of the first results that comes out. It is very important. If you are driving traffic to your blog, either you are monetizing that traffic or you are using that traffic to get lead magnets, whatever reason it is, you want to drive traffic to your blog, you must make sure that that blog, article, or website ranks on Google's first page when people search for it. And how do you do that? One of the things that would help you or help your article or blog post rank on Google's first page is the kind of keyword or key phrase. Now, a keyword or a key phrase is the particular search term that describes the whole content of your article or blog post in summary. So say for instance, I have a focus key phrase. I said key phrase because it can be more than 2 words. right? So if you have a keyword, it's just going to be maybe one word, right? But if it's a key phrase, it can be two or three words or maybe more. However, that focus key phrase is the major summary of what your article or your blog is about. So if I was to write an article about how authors or marketing strategies for authors, right? My focus key phrase should be something that people are searching for, should be something of a high search volume. Now, how am I going to know if the key phrase or the focus keyword I want to use has high search volume? Which is what brings me to the next tool called H Super Tools. Now, H Super Tool is a free SEO and digital marketing tool, and it has so many features you can use here. It is really free, it is amazing. Now, what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization, and it simply means the way a blog or a website is optimized so that it can come out on search engines. And how do you optimize a blog or how do you optimize a website? Is by using specific keywords or key phrases, right? So for this particular, let's just assume we have an article in mind, right? And we have an idea of a keyword or a key phrase that we want to use as the focus key phrase. We then need to search and find out if that particular keyword or key phrase has a high search volume, which is what is going to bring us to SEO here, right? So we go to keyword research tool. Now, when you use this keyword research tool, you must make sure that the search volume is up to 500 and above. That is what you want, up to 500 and above, right? So I'm just going to wait for it to load while I get more definitions to explain what SEO is about. All right. So, like I said, SEO, search engine optimization, is the process of improving your website or your blog for Google or for any search engine. All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, so I'm just going to move this here and then let's see. So, I wrote an article previously from my previous tutorial video where I showed you how to write up to 3,000 words of blog posts or 3,000 words of article in just 1 hour. Like, it's a real thing. So I'm going to use the focus key phrase I used there, which was book launch strategy. I'm going to check if that is good enough for us to use. Okay. All right, so let's search for it. All right, so we have the monthly search volume, paid competition. We are trying to look for a keyword or key phrase that is high, that has high search volume, because SEO deals with unpaid traffic. It helps drag or drive unpaid traffic to your website or to your blog, and that is really what you want. So it is also not compulsory that you must use this tool. There are so many keyword research tools out there that you can use. Use the one that you understand best, the one that you feel is most efficient, and just use it. As long as it gives you the result you are looking for, then everything should be fine. Alright, so let's see the search results here. Just scroll down and we see that the monthly search volume is 40, which is quite low, and paid competition is medium. So meaning people are actually paying to, maybe paying for ads and whatever. Cost per click is $2.72, which is, it doesn't really make it profitable. As you can see, other related keywords, let's go down. We're looking for something that is above 500, right? So meaning that if we are to use that particular article that we have to change the keyword. The only keyword that is above 500 here is book marketing strategy, and the search volume a month is 590, which is not that high too, but we can still use it. And then the competition, paid competition is high as well. Cost per click 34 cents. It's not as bad as what we have here. So let's assume we've decided to change our keyword, our focus keyword, and we've decided to go for book marketing strategy. The next thing to do is to search for book marketing strategy. So we'll just type that here, book marketing strategy, and let's see what comes out. Book marketing strategy. So what we'll be looking for now, this is where this most bar Chrome extension is really important, because it will help us see those websites with PA and DA less than 30. That is what will be our gateway website. And a gateway website is the one that can attract the attention of search engines and potential users by quickly outlining the purpose. Okay, so what you need to do is, when you find a website with PA and DA less than 30, what you should do is to open that website and try to see the content, see what is in the website. Any area you feel that there is a content gap, by content gap I mean maybe they didn't cover a specific topic or a specific area of interest to you, or there is something that they are missing, then you can quickly cover that in your own article, so that people who are searching for that particular term, let's say book marketing strategies, they'll be able to see your own blog post too and then read it. So my mouse bar is not coming on, it should be activated. It's supposed to show me what is on this site, right? So let's try that again. Book marketing strategy. I think that's the keyword we are looking for. Okay, so we're looking for websites with PA and DA less than 30. That particular website is going to be what will be our gateway website, which is what we're going to use to study and then fill up any content gaps that we have. Okay, so this one now has PA of 44, DA of 67. It is not ideal for what we want. PA 40, DA 50, still not what we want. PA 45, DA 7. So this is like the closest to what we've seen so far, but it's still not what we want. I'm looking for something less than 30 on both ends. Let's keep checking. So we are even done with the first page and we cannot see anything. Let's check the next page to see if we can get something better. Otherwise, we will then stick to the best results we were able to get from the first page. Alright, so we have here 36, 43, 37, 38. Right. So this is like the best we've seen so far. PA 21, DA 10. Okay, so this will be the gateway website, P821 D810, and we are going to open it up. We just open it up to have a view of what the website is about, what they've written and what they've not written, so that we can know where to fill in our own content. So basically, this is what you need to do when it comes to ranking your article on Google's first page or your blog post on Google's first page. You have to search for keywords that have a high search volume. After doing that, then you look for a gateway website that will help you create your own content. Then the next thing to do would be for you to take your particular blog post or whatever and post it on your website. Now, if you use a WordPress website, of course, you should have Yoast SEO plugin. Yoast SEO plugin, there's the free version and there's the pro version, right? So even with the free version, you can get a lot done. And Yoast SEO will also further help you rank your article or rank your blog post higher on Google search engine. So if you would like to learn how to use Yoast SEO for a WordPress blog post or article, let me know in the comments that it is something you want, and I'll be happy to teach you. I'll be happy to show you how to do it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched to this particular point, it means you enjoy my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, to share with your friends, and I'll see you in this next video where I show you how to use Yoast SEO plugin for your WordPress blog post and article so that you can rank on Google's first page. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to